Hey, what's up guys? Billy Haley here, Director of Education at MyMedic. I'm gonna talk you guys through our most popular kit, which is the MyFAK, and this happens to be the most popular color as well. All right, so on the outside, all kinds of cool features. You've got a full Velcro front face here. You've got MOLLE webbing throughout the entire front. A secure strap. One of the coolest things about this kit that I love is the back plate. So you can MOLLE this into your backpack, the back of your headrest, whatever MOLLE system you have, and it's a grab and go system. So this stays behind, you tear this off, it's quick release, and off you go. It's super handy, very convenient. The zippers, super important guys. I'm actually a big stickler about this. These are snag resistant zippers. So they're jumbo zippers, 2-finger pull tab. So if it's limited visibility, it makes it real easy to just grab this guy and pull it down. So with that, let's go ahead and get into the contents. Quick clot, tourniquet, emergency blanket, emergency whistle, chem light. This is your gauze pack. So you've got 2x2s, 4x4s, conforming roll gauze in here. You've got super skin in here, all different shapes and sizes of Band-Aids. MPA or nasopharyngeal airway, CPR shield, chest seals, your burn kit, small and large burn dressing and burn gels in here, compression bandage, trauma shears, rolled tape. You've got your Microman cut kit. So instead of sutures or staples or anything, this takes the place of all that. This closes even major lacerations with total ease, almost as easy as putting on a Band-Aid. So make sure to check this stuff out. Irrigation saline, emergency pressure bandage. This is what I call the little tool kit. So you've got a pen light, tweezers, thermometer, little scissors, really handy dandy little kit right there. Finger splint, triangular bandage. And lastly, the removable pouch. In here, you've got over-the-counter meds, all kinds of stuff like Dramamine, ibuprofen, Benadryl, things like that. Emergency electrolytes, mod with your alcohol wipes, your sterile BZK wipes, your towelettes, hand sanitizer, and then your topicals. So you've got sunscreen in here, you've got hydrocortisone, you've got triple antibiotic, you've got tooth pain gel, all kinds of cool stuff in here as well. And finally, secure strips. So for some of those minor lacerations, you're covered on those as well. All right, guys, that is it for the MyFAK. It has everything you need from little minor cuts and scrapes and boo-boos all the way to life-saving equipment. Thanks for keeping up. Be safe, stay alive.